the new HiOne. The all-in-one BESS built to be superior. It's so light and slim, and with the quick plug design, setup is super fast. You can get it ready in just 15 minutes. We hid all the messy wires, so it looks clean and beautiful, whether indoors or out. Want more power later? Just add a new battery pack. Old and new ones work great together. It also handles extra solar panels with ease. You can install them on different sides of your roof. It manages each direction independently to give your family more green power. Hot summers or freezing winters, no problem. It keeps working perfectly in any weather. If the power goes out, HiOne takes over instantly. You won't even notice a thing. It's strong enough to run your whole house, so your daily life never stops. And it's also safe enough. From core to shell, HiOne keeps you fully protected. Skip the complex settings and simply activate AI mode. It automatically leverages dynamic tariffs to maximize your savings. Slimmer, stronger, faster, safer, smarter. Get all you need, all in Hoymiles HiOne.